Right now, all of us are drowning in AI information. It is forcing us to spend more time filtering noise than making actual decisions. I often see this problem as if someone has given me 1,000 maps when what I actually need is one clear direction. Sometimes I feel like every AI tool or system I see is just another initiative competing for my attention. As a business owner, does it mean that every competitor is following the same playbooks and implementing the same solutions? I believe in 2026, when everyone will be racing to make their workflows faster, the companies at the forefront will not focus on optimizing processes anymore. Instead, they will be deleting their existing processes entirely. It's like the difference between teaching your horse to run faster versus inventing the car. I see that most executives are still in the horse racing mindset, asking, how can AI help us do what we're already doing, but better? But the real winners will be the ones who are asking a fundamentally different question. What if we could reorganize how decisions happen from the ground up? The smartest companies are treating AI adoption like a financial portfolio. They're balancing risk and return, mean and variance, exploration and exploitation. They understand that merely plugging AI into existing systems will not serve in the long term. The actual impact will be a result of redesigning the entire decision-making architecture of the organization. Companies that figure this out are playing a completely different game that most businesses don't even see yet. I conclude this with the most relevant question. Are you optimizing the old world or building a new one?